Alright. Welcome back to Skyward Strength. Today, we're going to explore the different types of pull-ups you can do to diversify your upper body workouts and target various muscle groups. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our amazing content. Let's dive in. Standard pull-up. The standard pull-up is the most common variation. Grip the bar with your palms facing away from you, with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. This variation primarily targets the lats, biceps, and upper back muscles. Chin up. For chin-ups, grip the bar with your palms facing towards you, hands shoulder width apart. This grip places more emphasis on your biceps, while still working your lats and upper back muscles. Wide grip pull-up. In the wide grip pull-up, place your hands wider than shoulder width apart with an overhand grip. This variation targets the outer lats and increases the challenge for your upper back muscles. Close grip pull-up. The close grip pull-up involves gripping the bar with your hands closer than shoulder width apart. This grip focuses more on your lower lats and biceps while still engaging your upper back. Mixed grip pull-up. For mixed grip pull-ups, grip the bar with one palm facing toward you and the other facing away. This variation helps improve grip strength and balance while working your upper body muscles asymmetrically. Commando pull-up. Grip the bar with both hands facing each other, neutral grip, and position your body perpendicular to the bar. As you pull yourself up, move your head to one side of the bar. This variation targets your lats, traps, and core muscles. L-sit pull-up. Begin with a standard overhand grip, and as you pull yourself up, raise your legs parallel to the ground, forming an L shape with your body. This advanced variation adds an intense core workout to your pull-up routine. Archer pull-up. Start with a wide overhand grip. As you pull up, shift your weight to one side, extending the opposite arm. This variation increases the intensity and targets one side of your upper body at a time. There you have it. You can incorporate 8 different types of pull-ups into your workouts to diversify your routine and challenge your upper body muscles in new ways. Remember, always prioritize good form and progressively increase the difficulty as you get stronger. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing fitness content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.